to strip away the nonsense and produce recipes that will get the greatest possible quality and depth of flavor from the least amount of effort.
I mean, he makes fabulous beer, and he knows how to make beer to style. He knows how to bring out the flavors that he's looking for in beer. And as a judge, he knows what judges are looking for in beer.
What Gordon's recipes represent is a modern sensibility, modern techniques incorporating hops and smart use of hops, smart use of brewing techniques to achieve particular goals.
If you're wanting to enter competition or just learn more about these styles that you might not have experience with, this book is going to help you tremendously.
Yeah, sure, you can get internet recipes and get recipes for free, but kind of you get what you pay for sometimes. You never really know when you look at those recipes online what the beer tastes like.
As an award-winning brewer, he can give you the information to make beers that will win awards as well. By emulating what Gordon does, you're going to make better beer.